Hello students, welcome you all. Welcome to this channel. In this class, we are going to discuss about the ecosystem. Dear students, in this image, what you are going to see here, we can see water, soil, plants, habitat, and animals, fish, and birds. We can see this. We can see in this image. Here in this, some are living things and some are non-living things. What is ecosystem? Ecosystem is the structural and functional unit of a nature. Ecosystem is the structural and functional unit of a nature. Here, living things, they interact with each other themselves, and also they interact with the surrounding environment. Here, what is the definition of this ecosystem? Definition of ecosystem is defined as a community of life forms in occurrence with the non-living components interacting with each other. In this, we can see structure of ecosystem. Structure of ecosystem. Here we can see biotic components and abiotic components. Here, biotic component means they are living things, and abiotic components are non-living things. In the biotic components, we can see producers, consumers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and decomposers. In the abiotic components, here we can see air, soil, sunlight, and water. These are the abiotic components. Just remember structure of ecosystem. Here we can see biotic component and abiotic component. Here we can see producers, consumers, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and decomposers are biotic components, and air, soil, sunlight, and water are the abiotic components. Next, here biotic means I told you already living things. In the biotic components, we can see plants. In our daily life, we can see so many plants, animals, and scavengers and decomposers. Here, scavengers also animals, and decomposers also animals. Here, these all are living things. First, we'll discuss about the plants. Do you know about plants? How the plant will be, what they will do, and how they will prepare their food. See, plants, they prepare their own food with the help of sunlight. Here we can see the image process, photosynthesis process. Here plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and nutrients absorbed from the soil. By using all these things, plants will prepare their own food and gives out oxygen. This process will call the photosynthesis process. Here we can see leaves of plants are green in color. Do you think why the leaves of plants are green in color? Here leaves are green in color because of chlorophyll pigment present in that leaves. Here chlorophyll means, here chloro means green, phyll means leaves. Because of the presence of the chlorophyll pigment, leaves are green in color. You can see any plant, the leaves of that maximum plants, you can see any plant, in that maximum percent of the plants, leaves are green in color. Next one, animals. These things we can these animals that we know already, you also know, and even we also know. Here animals, in our daily life we can see the animals. In our home also you may have the animals, means you might see the animals. We can see dog, cat, cow, and some you might see some other animals like lion, tiger in the zoo. Here do you think how the animals, how they will prepare their food, is they prepare their food or not? or they dependent on other or not? Do you think about that? See, animals what they will do, they depend on the others. Means some animals they eat the grass or leaves, some animals they will eat the other animals. This is the these things will happen in daily life. Here first one we can take cow or buffalo or rabbit we can take. These animals they will eat the grass or plants. Here we can take, see, here plants, I told you plants they prepare their own food. That plants will call the producers. Plants they'll call the producers. See, here you can see herbivores. Herbivores means those animals they will eat the only grass or leaves. That animals will call them herbivores. Here herbivores are the primary consumers. Herbivores we can call primary consumers. You can take cow, elephant, zebra, and some insect, goat, sheep, or rabbit. These all animals they eat plant items or grass. These animals will call herbivores. Here one more thing, plant absorb nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and calcium from the soil. These nutrients enter the bodies of animals. Whatever the nutrients absorbed by the plants, these nutrients will enter the bodies of animals when they eat the grass or plants. See, these nutrients enter the bodies of animals when they eat plants or the flesh of other animals. After these plants and animals die, their bodies decompose, and that nutrients that again reach back to the soil. Next I told, after this herbivores we'll go to the carnivores. Have you seen these animals? Some you may seen in the zoo, we can't see in villages. Same, lion, tiger, and cheetah. See, lion, tiger, and cheetah, these animals they eat only flesh, means meat. These animals eat only meat. See, the animals which eat only meat or flesh, those are called the carnivores. These animals we call the secondary consumers. We call the secondary consumers. Here, in the nature, we will see the some other animals like deer. We can see crow, pig. We can see and fish. These animals, do you see in, what they eat? See, they eat flesh, means they eat meat also, and they eat grass and plant also. Means these animals both they eat, they are vegetarian also and non-vegetarian also. They eat both the type. So we call omnivorous. Even human being also omnivorous, because some persons, some people they eat they are vegetable also and non-vegetable also. They are vegetarian and even they are non-vegetarian. They eat both the type. Here deer, crow, pig, and fish. These all are omnivorous. Even human being also omnivorous. Next, we'll go to the scavengers and decomposers. Here, what are scavengers and what are decomposers? Scavengers, in daily we'll see this. Scavengers means vulture, haddu. What the scavengers will do, these also will take the food, but these scavengers will take only dead bodies. Means they will eat the flesh of a dead body, dead animals. And decomposers, see, decomposers means we can see worm, mushroom, insect, and bacteria. These decomposers, what they will do, these nutrients are then absorbed by the plant. See what these decomposers and scavengers will do. They feed on the dead plants and animals. Both scavengers and decomposers, they feed on both dead bodies and dead plants. Next, abiotic components. Next topic is till now we have discussed about the biotic components. Now we will discuss about the abiotic components. Here, what are the abiotic components? First one, water, atmosphere, temperature, soil, sunlight, and wind. These all the things whatever we are saying in this image, these all are non-living things. Still are there, but for example, we have taken wind, sunlight, temperature, atmosphere, and water. These all are abiotic components. These are all non-living things. Thank you, students. Thank you for watching the video. If you are having any doubts, if you are not understanding, see the video 2 times or 3 times. Then also, if you are having any doubts, call to me. In the next class, we will meet with some different topics, some other topic. Thank you.